Welcome to BeBe's bookshelf. Today BeBe is reading Blippi, I Can Drive an Excavator. Look at this big machine. It's an excavator. It is a big machine that digs. This excavator has a bucket. The bucket digs in the ground. The bucket picks up dirt. The excavator moves the dirt. Excavators are the best. I wish I could drive one. Wow, my wish just came true. I can drive an excavator. It works hard. I will too. I have to be safe. A hard hat goes on my head. A vest helps people see me. This is the cab. It is where I sit. It is just one step up. Make that one big step. The cab is so high, I can see all over. I put on my seatbelt. Now I can drive. An excavator has tracks. It does not have wheels. The tracks move over mud. The tracks move over rocks. The ride is not bumpy. Thank you, excavator tracks. It is time to dig. The bucket is up. I bring the bucket down. The bucket digs in the ground. I lift the bucket. It is full of dirt. The excavator is on the move. Go, excavator, go! The excavator drives to a truck. It is a dump truck. I lower the bucket. The bucket drops the dirt. Thud! The dirt lands in the dump truck. Now there is no dirt in the bucket. The dirt is in the dump truck. The dump truck drives away with the dirt. See you later, dirt. The excavator's work is done. Good job, excavator. There are more big machines at work. Let's look. A backhoe has two buckets. There is a bucket in the front and there is a bucket in the back. Here comes a crane. It lifts big and heavy things. Here comes a bulldozer. It pushes things out of the way. Here comes a truck. It holds wood and beams. Slosh, slosh, do you hear that? This truck mixes concrete. Check this out. This is a steamroller. It flattens the ground. The big machines work hard. They build new playgrounds. The playground is for you. Have fun. I did. The end. Remember to come back to BeBe's channel for more stories.